Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you the goodies that came in the monthly subscription for September. So if you have subscribed but you haven't received your package yet and you want to be surprised, please click out now because I'm going to reveal everything that came in the package. Every monthly subscription package will be a little bit different. You will always receive a freebie. So here's the freebie that came for September. And these are labels. This is actually the first draft. I did make a different draft that went out with all the subscriptions. It's exactly the same except the borders are a little bit thinner. I just thought it would look nicer with thinner borders. But basically they're just little rectangle labels for phone calls, emails or happy mail, appointments or like meeting times or work times, stuff like that. So every monthly subscription will always come with a freebie. This is like business card size. And then in this month's package, I included this little journaling card. This actually wasn't planned. I just kind of popped in at the last minute because I wanted to make little like business cards that I can pass out in real life. And I didn't have enough time to get them printed like at a outside vendor. So I just made my own on this blush pink like cardstock. So it says plan a life you love, and on the back it just has all the info like website, Instagram, and YouTube. And so I just decided to include that this month. This is kind of cute to put in your planner somewhere. And then every month you will receive 4 sticker sheets, and every month will be different designs. Every month will they'll always be functional sheets, and then I might have like one decorative sheet. So this is what came in this month's subscription for September. First are these arrow labels or arrow flags, and they're cut out to the shape of the arrow. You have remember, meeting, appointment, to do, and do, and then that's repeated throughout the sheet. And I wanted to show you guys in my planner how I have it here. So I like how they really look on my daily insert. So I have it here just to be like, oh, our books are due on this day. That's just a reminder. So this width of this column is like a standard width that all the sticker shops use that fit the Erin Condren sticker width. So this goes about halfway across, just for your reference. So that's how it looks on the page. And then the other stickers she got are these circle labels. So again, they're cut out around the circle, and I left them blank so you can add your own headings there. So it could be like you add your own little doodle sticker or your own writing. But then I also included some very tiny labels down at the bottom of things you might want to use, like meeting, appointment, due, bill, payday, work, schedule, note, and goal. And so you can take off these teeny tiny little sticker labels. So that's how small they are. And then you just put them over the circle label like that. And then I have a sample here in my planner like that. So if you want to say a meeting at 10 a.m., put it in your schedule. I thought those were super cute and functional. And then the third sheet are these divider tabs, and so they have a marble background, and take one off for you guys. And basically you can fold them over each other. You stick it on the edge of a page, like you stick it on the edge of your page like that, and then you fold it over and it looks like this. That's how it looks on the other side. And so I did include some labels on there as well here at the bottom. goals, family, work, hustle, projects, finances, notes, and miscellaneous. Or you can make your own labels, or you can write them in yourself. So you get 6 on a sheet, and I thought those were super useful and functional. And then the last sticker sheet, I decided to add a little bit of deco. So you have some flower and bow clips, some binder clips, some washi tape, 2 pen stickers. So these are cut out around the pen, and it says Planner Girl. I love those ones. And 2 planner stickers. So yeah, so those are the 4 that came for September. Again, every month will be different, but you'll always get 4 quarter sheet sticker sheets. And then besides the freebie and the 4 sticker sheets, you'll always get 2 mystery stationery items. So I did a poll on Instagram, and the #1 most requested item that you wanted to receive in your subscription kit was sticky notes. So I created these sticky notes. They're my hand lettered bow on a marble background with this thin black border, and you get 2 of them. Those who subscribed got 2 of these. They're 25 sheets per pad. Nice quality. They're Bic brand. They stick well and they don't leave any residue. The size is 2.5 by 3, and I did that very intentionally. So those that use pocket planners, which I do as well, I switch back and forth usually between my personal size and my pocket planner. These fit really well in a pocket size too. So everything that I make, I always keep pocket planners in mind so that it will fit well in pocket, personal, and A5 and other planner sizes as well. So I thought these turned out really cute. So that was the first stationery item. And then the second most requested stationery item was vellum. So I created 2 vellum designs for this month's subscription. So I've never used vellum before. I didn't really care for vellum. I was really surprised everyone voted for vellum. So I was very skeptical, but then when I went and printed them out, I ended up really liking how they turned out. And so now I am a vellum convert, and I really love these a lot. So the first one is this, it has a marble background, and you can see here against the white. But yes, a marble background with Plan a Life You Love. And again, keeping pocket planner girls in mind, if you were to trim this down to size, this will fit very nicely for pocket size as well. And then you could trim it for pocket, personal. This can also be used for A5, but not the true A5 size. It's the half letter, because this is the 8.5 by 11 size sheet. So this can be in your A5 planners, but it would be half letter size. And then or you can use it for your traveler's notebook. That's why I folded it in half for those that want to trim it down for your traveler's notebook. But if you're using it for a ring bound planner, then you can always trim this front side down for your planner, and then you also have a secondary back side that you could trim down to use somewhere else in your planner, which I thought was cool. And then the second design I made was these gems. And so I'm sticking with the minimalistic and clean aesthetic. I thought this was really nice. And so yeah, same thing, 8.5 by 11, you could trim it down. And then when I was packing these up, I put them together in one cello bag. And I noticed them together, and I thought it looked really cute like that, layered together. So I actually really ended up using that in my planner. Like, this is not just for the video, this is what I've been using. So I thought this looked super cute with I cut it down for personal size, of course. I have the gem vellum underneath and the marble Plan a Life You Love vellum layered on top. This is just a white cardstock I put behind so you can see it better, and I just stick it together with this ollie clip. So I thought that turned out super cute. And there's my little sticky note sticking out there. So yeah, that's everything that came in the September monthly subscription kit. Like I said, you always get 4 sticker sheets, a freebie, and then 2 mystery stationery items. So this month is the sticky notes and the vellum. For October will be something different. So it'll be 4 sticker sheets, different designs, a different design freebie, and then 2 other kind of stationery items. So it won't be sticky notes or vellum. It's going to be different stuff, and every month I'm going to try to do something new, but I'll always like come back to sticky notes too, or vellum if that's what you guys want, but I'll just rotate. So you still have a few more days if you want to subscribe in time to get October goodies. I had a lot of fun putting this all together, and I've been getting a lot of positive feedback, so I hope you guys really love it. Thank you so much for all your support. I love seeing all your pictures and stories on Instagram and Facebook, and seeing how much you guys are enjoying all the items. Keep tagging me in those pictures and stories because I love seeing them all. And until next time, bye.